6 weeks, thousands of developers, and $100,000 up for grabs. This isn't just another hackathon. This is a challenge to go beyond rows and columns and build with AI with the ease of SQL. And this is the story of the $15,000 winners of the AI Architect category. BigQuery is great at storing and analyzing vast amounts of data. But what if you could not only understand the past, but also actively shape the future and generate new insights directly within your data warehouse for you to take action on? The AI Architect Challenge tasks developers with integrating generative AI directly into their data workflows. Using functions like ml.generateText, AI.generate, or AI.generateBool, they can now generate creative content or summarize complex information directly within BigQuery. The mission: build intelligent business applications and workflows that leverage BigQuery's built-in generative AI, from hyper-personalized marketing to automated executive dashboards. The question: who could best design the future with AI? That's the Onk'omics team, Maya Kalyan. Speaking with Maya today is Brad Myro, Google Developer Advocate.
Awesome. Well, Maya, thank you so much for joining me here today. First off, a huge congratulations to you and Team Mashup on your winning project on Comics AI. Can you share a little bit about yourself and also the team that worked on the project?
Hey, thank you so much, Brad. We're absolutely thrilled and honored to receive this award from Google. I'll start by introducing our team Mashup, which includes myself, Maya, and Sharath. We're both University of Michigan alumni. I'm a biomedical engineer specializing in AI for life science tech industry. And Sharath is a software engineering manager with over a decade of experience in software development. We're both really passionate about exploring the latest advances in AI, especially in healthcare. And honestly, we saw this hackathon as a great opportunity to learn new in-demand skills. So we decided to give it a try and see where it goes.
Can you give us the elevator pitch for the project and the core problem that you were trying to solve?
Absolutely. So our project Onk'omics AI tackles a very real and complex data fragmentation challenge in precision oncology, which is a specialized area for cancer research and clinical care that focuses on personalized medicine. To give some background on the data we're working with, it involves biological information that's unique to each patient, such as genetic mutations, protein expression levels, and treatment history. And all of that typically lives in structured databases, while your latest scientific discoveries are scattered across millions of research papers that are unstructured text. So as you can imagine, integrating this multimodal data to extract meaningful insights is very difficult and time-consuming. And in reality, that gap slows both clinical decision-making and research progress, which is really the core problem we set out to solve.
Could you share a bit more about the inspiration for your entry?
Absolutely. I'd say the inspiration really came from what we both see every day in our work, and it's really twofold. First, the passion to create something meaningful in the healthcare space with real-world impact. And second, the excitement of just being part of this incredible tech revolution.
That's amazing. So I know you mentioned that BigQuery was sort of the star of the show here. So when you were looking for a way to solve this problem, how is it that BigQuery helped?
I'd say hands down, BigQuery is what made this whole project possible. We loved how it gave us seamless access to public cancer data sets for research purposes. And having AI tools already built in a central ecosystem just made it so much easier to experiment and iterate quickly. What really stood out was its multimodal capability. We could bring together structured molecular data like genomics or treatment history with unstructured biomedical text from a trusted database like PubMed, which is what we used in our project, all in one place. And normally you need multiple tools or tons of custom code to make that happen. But with BigQuery and BigFrames, we were able to handle both types of data cohesively. And it's worth highlighting that we could filter, merge, and query everything at scale using a very simple, familiar SQL-like interface. And that really let us focus on generating the insights instead of doing data wrangling. So, and that other great aspect is that because BigQuery connects directly with embedding models and generative AI, we could go from raw data to semantic search and summaries, all within the same environment. And so in short, BigQuery didn't just make our jobs easier, it made something this ambitious actually doable and scalable.
If you had one more week on this project, what is maybe one feature that you would have built that you had to leave, unfortunately out for this time around, but maybe will come in a future iteration?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's tough to choose just one. We had several things we wanted to implement, but I think at the top of our list would be trying out BigQuery's generative AI forecasting tool. It felt like a natural next step in our project, and integrating it into our pipeline to, say, predict patient survival outcomes under different treatment strategies, I think could have made it even more powerful. So that would allow, I think, OncoMix AI also to move beyond just summarizing existing evidence, but also start generating predictive insights, which are still grounded very much in validated data and literature.
Maya, thank you so much for your time. It was really great having you. And again, congratulations on this amazing win and this really interesting project.
Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity. It's really one of those pinch me moments for us to, win this award from Google. And we're excited to really build on this momentum.